Hey guys, we're going to have a new test today. We got a agent released by Notifier, system sensor L series, horn strobe, and agent released by Finwall. It's set on a bell tone. Over here we have another system sensor L series, strobe only, and we have a Notifier MBG12LX here. And these are all addressable alarms, but the modules don't work because the panel is not addressable. We have another Notifier BG12LX with a system sensor spectral alert. Not spectral alert, L series. Spectral alert's on the other side. Here is the spectral alert, strobe only. And this is another Notifier MBG12LX. And here's the panel. The MFD-4424. Up here we got our FM200 suppression tank filled with air right now. And over here we have a system sensor smoke detector. And we'll begin the test by setting off the detector here. I don't know, was that enough? The alarm is active. So you can smoke there. So if we go to the panel, it'll be sending fire alarm in zone 1. System alarm, zone 1. So we'll keep that running. We'll tone silence that. And now we'll run upstairs real quick. Oh yeah, we'll go ahead and pull the agent release down here. And we'll shut off the suppression tank. So we went ahead, we'll pull this. Release is going on. The tank is now releasing. Panel and alarm. Manual release. System alarm, zone 1. So we can go ahead and silence that. And then we'll go ahead and reset. We'll hit alarm silence. And we'll go over and reset the agent release. Okay. And lastly, we'll go ahead, we'll pull this one. No, we'll go upstairs after system reset. We run upstairs. And we have one upstairs here. We'll pull this one. This is another system sensor L series. Strobe only with an Notifier BG12LX. So we'll pull that. There's that module. They all have the module. So the strobe's flashing. Now, there's one upstairs too, just the L series. You can kind of hear up there. And then we'll go back downstairs. There's another L series out in the garage with a pull station Notifier MBG12LX. So we'll check the panel, zone 2, system alarm. Now we'll go ahead and pull this. It shuts that up. System alarm, zone 1, zone 2. And you can hear the bell now ticking. 30-second countdown has begun. And now this tank is empty, so it won't run again. But then I'll go ahead and press the abort here. And then this shows abort active. Restarts the 30-second countdown. Now I let go of the abort. You can hear the panel ticking if you listen. And then this will continue for 30 seconds. So it just finished. It's going off. Release has been active. And this would be discharging again if there was anything left in it. But there is not. So this is going to conclude the system. Thanks for watching.